Hello everyone, this is Konok. In this video I am going to show you how to create complete restaurant food ordering system and e-commerce platform using ZeroChat. First you need to go to e-commerce store. I have already created a restaurant and a physical product shop as a demo purpose inside ZeroChat. To create a new store, just you need to click on create store. First you need to select a Facebook page. You can sell inside Facebook Messenger, or you can also sell outside Facebook Messenger as a native web application. So this ZeroChat has two options. Either you can use inside Messenger or outside Messenger, or both. Okay, then store name, email address, country of your restaurant, state, city, address, postal code, language that you want for your customer. Okay, logo, favicon, Facebook pixel ID. You can put your Facebook pixel ID, Google Analytics ID to track the visitor, terms of you service, then your refund policy. Okay, then click on create store. So I am going to the already created restaurant. You can see here is the dashboard. After creating your store, you will get the dashboard. This is total order. Then recovered cart actually using abandoned cart recovery option. Here you can see confirmation and reminder for abandoned cart recovery. Okay, I will show you details about this abandoned cart recovery in another video. Here is the checkout order, total earning, cart activities, all latest cart activities. If you click on here, you can see the invoice or order from here. Okay, and top products, your restaurant top product, you can see here. Now store settings. From here, store settings, you can edit your store name and all other information that you have provided during creating store. Okay, here is the all information you can change. Then checkout settings. In checkout settings, you can integrate your payment gateway. There are 5 payment gateway, that is PayPal, Stripe, Molly, Razorpay, Paystack, and manual payment system. And also you can enable cash on delivery option. Okay, later you can select which payment option you want to display. In my case, I have enabled PayPal, Stripe, manual, and cash on delivery. I don't have Razorpay, Paystack, or Molly, so I keep it no. Okay, then currency and level. From here you can select your desired currency. All the currency are available here. In my case, I have selected USD. Okay, now here is the right alignment option, that is some currency icon actually in right side like this. So if you want to display the currency icon in right side, you can just enable it like this way. 2 decimal point, if you want to show the 2 decimal point like 25.99 or 25.00, you can enable it like this way. Display comma. Okay, here is the buy now label, buy now button label. If it is a restaurant, so you can use order now instead of buy now, and if it is a e-commerce store, you can use buy now. Okay, so you can change it from here. And store pickup title, this ZeroChat has option to store pickup selection, so I have written inside restaurant. Okay, or you can write another thing you want. Tax and delivery charge, here is the option to tax and delivery charge. Then address preference in checkout option. During checkout option, for delivery address, you what information you want. Okay, here is the option checkout country, checkout state, checkout city, checkout zip. I just enable checkout email and checkout phone number, that is phone number and email address for delivery address. I am not taking any other option, and street is mandatory for every order. Okay, and here is the option to enable store pickup. If you want to enable store pickup option for your student, you can enable it. That will be helpful for if you want to set QR menu inside your restaurant and order from your restaurant directly. Okay, then enable delivery not. Now go to QR menu. Here you can see you can generate QR menu from here, and you can change color, and this is welcome message for Facebook Messenger, and this is direct web URL. So GeroChat has two options. One is for Messenger, inside Messenger, and other is outside Messenger. Inside Messenger, the user don't need to log in. He can just buy with their Facebook account. If you use outside Messenger, the customer need to create his account by sign up or register and then log in to check out or order the product. Okay. Now I will show you how it is actually work. Let me go to categories. Here you can add different category. I have created different category here. Let's create another category, say rice. Click on save button. Then here is the attribute option. I am creating attribute like package size, small, medium, large, like this. Okay, here's some option like multi-select or optional. This is not a multi-select and not a optional, it's mandatory, so I am save it. Creating another attribute, ingredients like eggs, okay, beef, prawn, meat, like this. This is also not optional, but a buyer can multi-select. Okay, another attribute like toppings, extra fried chicken, extra beef piece, extra mutton piece. Okay, then this is multi-select and optional, just save. Now go to products. I have already created few product. I am creating another product. Okay, select category price, attribute, package size, and also toppings. Okay, now this option is not available inside main GeroChat. For selecting variation, make sure you need to purchase the add-on. Okay, this add-on, e-commerce product price variation. This add-on is actually needed for this price variation. Okay, small 0, medium, product name fried rice, original price $5, sale price $5, medium $5, $10, extra chicken $5, and extra beef $10, extra mutton $10. You can give product description, demo description. Also You can put purchase note, thumbnail, this is rice, and you can add some other image for this rice here, that is feature image. You can add up to 3 images here. Okay, then just I am clicking save button. So product is created. Now go to delivery points. Delivery point actually store pickup option. For store pickup you can add multiple point here, so buyer can select the point. In this case, if you creating restaurant, you can create table number. I have already created different table, table 1, table 2. You can add another point like name table, okay, table 6, like this. Then go to coupons. You can manage coupon or give coupon to your buyer. Okay, click on coupon. You need to select any specific product. If you don't select any product, then it is applied to all product. There are different kind of coupon, that is percent, fixed cut and fixed product, then coupon code, then coupon amount. If it is percent, then you need to put the percent like 10. Okay, expired date, maximum use limit, and free shipping option enable or disable, status active or inactive. Okay, then here is the order button. From order button, that is the all order placed by your customer. You can see from here. You can change status like this. Okay, when you change the status, you can send additional note to your customer in messenger or in email or phone number you want. Okay, here you can see the invoice option, and here is the invoice option and print option. There are 3 type of print option: large A4, thermal printer 80 mm and thermal 57 mm. You can print this and send to your kitchen to make the food, then deliver to your customer. Okay, now copy URL. Here is the different all URL available for store URL category wise. Okay, if you go to here, you can see the category wise like this. This is in desktop version, and this is store page. Okay, full store like this, and this will be actually used when you set up your messenger bot. If you want to set this restaurant inside messenger, then you can use this URL as a web view. Okay, I will show you in later how to set up messenger bot with this URL. Then visit store, order and status notification. You can set all the notification. Okay, messenger order, approve, rejected, ship, delivery. You can see make your template from here. Then confirmation and reminder. This is for abandoned cart. If anybody make add to cart but forget to check out, then you can send them a reminder that you have forget to check out. Okay, this is the option to set that. This is reminder report. Okay, now let me show you how to set up your messenger bot. Go to copy URL. Okay, you can create your messenger bot different way as per your wish. Go to messenger bot, then bot settings. I have already created. Get started from here. First I have set a text tweet button, then some postback, burger, pizza, sandwich, get more, chicken, all foods, like this way. Also I have set up persistent menu for food order. Let me show you how actually it works in Messenger. This is a Messenger in desktop. As I have selected persistent menu, you can see here is a persistent menu, then order food, okay, burger, pizza, sandwich. If I click on burger, then burger information will come, okay. This is a carousel, order now. You can then add to cart like this way, then go to cart menu, okay. So I am just creating a bot reply settings from here. In this case, say if anybody write lunch I am selecting text with button, say rice, selecting pushback, clicking on add button, right rice template, okay, selecting as generic template, updating rice, uploading rice. Now you need to give title fried rice, subtitle like price $5, order now, selecting web view. Now you need to copy the product URL, so go to rice, copy this fried rice URL and I am putting it here, then click on submit button, okay, click on submit, okay. I need to put, please select from below. You can add another button like all foods. This is another web view and copy the full store, submit. Now check lunch, okay. Please select from below. If anybody click on rice, okay, this is rice, then click on order now button, it come here, okay, size, okay. Seems like I have forgotten to add a variation here. Go to my package, I didn't add ingredients for chicken fried, just clicking on edit button, okay, selecting ingredients like beef $1, $2, $1, okay, $2 like this, just save button. Now order now, okay. Here you can see the ingredients, from here you can go to cart menu and then proceed to checkout, okay. Here is the order receipt. Now let me show you the QR menu, how it actually works. Here is the QR menu. There are two QR menu. One is Messenger QR code, another is outside QR code. So this is for Messenger. In this case, your user don't need to create any account. He can be order food with their Facebook account. Okay, and it is outside Messenger. That means user need to create a account by sign up, then login to place order. Okay, let me show you how it actually works. You need to download this image, and then you can print, or you can use anywhere you want. Let me show you. Also here you can see the welcome message. You can change from here, like start ordering button, and also write please click on the below button. Save. Now go to your mobile to check how it is actually working. You can see, hi Madhujjaman, welcome to our store. Please click on the below button, start ordering. Here you can see all the food here. Also I can select different category, clicking on cart button, then pizza option, click on add button, going to home page, and rice here. Now go to cart, I can increase from here, increase quantity. Okay, here is option to deliver. You can manage your address from here, add address, new address, and select where you need to deliver this food. And also there is option to inside restaurant. Inside restaurant there is counter option and other table option. If anybody on inside restaurant and on in table 4, he can select table 4. Also here is the write a note option. If customer want to write any note to the restaurant owner, then click on proceed checkout. There are different type of option, payment option. I am selecting cash on delivery. Okay, order is completed. Okay, now here you can see the order details. This is how easy to check out from Messenger. Also let me show you the another option, that is outside Messenger, how it actually works. Okay, let me show you outside Messenger. This is outside Messenger, the same interface. Just when I click on add to cart, there is a message that you either have to purchase inside Facebook Messenger or have to log in. So clicking on login button, I don't have account. Okay, I have already account. If you don't have account, then you need to click on register. Okay, now click on add button, then choose option, the process is very similar. Okay, just without Messenger you have totally a freedom if you want to use inside Messenger or outside Messenger. So this is how ZeroChat e-commerce and restaurant food ordering system works. Hope this will help your business. If you face any problem, contact our support desk. We will try our best to help you. And of course, we always appreciate your suggestion and keep suggesting us. We will try our best to implement in future. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.